Waxing ke laser hair removal? Which one is better? Okay, so dua-dua ada pros and cons, but my answer is go for laser hair removal. Point yang pertama, laser hair removal bagus sebab dia akan shoot until your hair follicle, meaning dia tak akan buat any ingrown hair berlaku. Point yang kedua, area yang korang waxing tu ada tendency untuk jadi gelap. So dengan laser hair removal takkan berlaku. So kenapa dengan waxing tempat tu boleh jadi gelap? Sebab you guys have to do very frequent and also they can cause irritation. While laser hair removal, it will take longer time for you to repeat another session and it can shoot your melanin which will brighten the skin. Point yang ketiga, waxing memang murah, but you have to do it very frequently and it will cost you more than laser hair removal in long run. Last point is very important, which is laser hair removal will make permanent hair reduction while waxing only temporary. Jap. Last point, laser hair removal boleh buat for whole body in one session but not waxing. And our clinic Glojas dah bertahun-tahun buat laser hair removal and all our patients are very happy with the result. So tunggu apa lagi? Jomlah datang ke Glojas.